Guys, so welcome back to Just an Ordinary Girl. So tonight we have this big box and I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to put it together and share it with you all. So you're probably wondering, what is it? So it's called a Air Walker Trainer, and it's made by Sunny, and it was like $94.99. And then I used Capital One Savings, like an app thingy, and I'm supposed to get $35 back just for using them. So it'll be very cheap. But we're going to put it together, and I can't wait to work out on it. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. Stay tuned. So if you hear that little noise, it's my heater in the background. Please don't mind that. Okay guys, so here's what the inside looks like. Looks like it's all one big piece. It looks like there's a computer part down on this end. And then the packing material looks very secure in there. So as you see, I've already started sliding it out of the box, but I thought I'd put it on to show you a little bit. This thing is pretty heavy, but it is packing really well. They have these plastic things right here that you could just pull on it. There, like that, just to get it out. Okay guys, so the first thing I noticed is there was this little computer thing attached to it, and here's what it's gonna look like. It's the manual, and it comes with an Allen wrench and a little wrench. Okay, so I quickly looked over this. So here's the diagram. It's the exploded version. There's all the parts list on both sides, which is quite a lot. But then when you come to this section, it shows you the hardware package. They tell you to unfold the air walker, and then you're going to pull out a big pin and open it up, and like pull down your pedals and everything. And then you're supposed to install the headrest and then lock it in place. Here's another pin, I guess. Do the handlebars, attaching that. And then you attach the monitor, and then the assembly's done. So the first thing I'm going to unpack is this. This looks like the headrest. That's what it looks like there. They got that on there tight. I have to cut it. Okay, guys, I'm not going to be able to film every second because I only have about 21 minutes on my phone left. And then I really have to clean my phone out. But this is one part I pulled out. I think I'm not going to cut that bag because... Okay, guys, so I got it all unboxed now. And so what I'm noticing is that they didn't put like screws and nuts and bolts and things like that separated. So I think in that diagram, they were just showing what's kind of already in the equipment. So the first step they said to do is to pull out the big pin. Okay, guys, so it looks like this big ball pin is going to go down through the neck part, and the small one goes in here. So I had to flip it back over. I just flipped it back over. Here's the position. Now I just bring, you can see, bring this piece down here, and then just put in the small one. And then I'll flip this over. I forget how I put it. Oh, the other way. This way. Flip it from up here so you don't get hurt. See how those swing down? like that. Let's see, make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Maybe I'll lift this up a little tiny bit. Okay, I got it flipped over. Now, you're supposed to support, this is a support for the stomach area. Oops. Just take these out and I'm going to insert them in here. Then I'm going to align the holes. It says. And they're hand tight. Okay, now I get to get my little and just tighten them up. We'll get it done. Yeah, I can't wait to try this machine. I hope that it's going to help me to lose weight again. With the foot condition, it's really hard to exercise because you can't really walk, or not too much. I start walking and I'm in so much pain. I mean, I thank God for what I can do, though, you know. So we'll see if this is not better for me. I need some kind of exercise, guys. Insert the large pin into the top hole. Oh, so there's the hole. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. And this is for safekeeping, so it actually doesn't do anything. Attaching the handlebars. Make sure the square holes on each handlebar are facing outward. So let's get a handlebar and see. This says right, and I see it says R on here for right. Now I'm gonna see on the machine, and it's located right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to show you right here. It says R. Okay, so oops. Make sure that the square holes on each handlebar are facing outward. Just unscrewing this. Ooh. So I'm going to just attach it here. Stick a bolt in there. Gotta make sure it goes in the other side. There, like that. And then you put the little washer back on. And then this part, your nut. I just hand tighten them. It's not in your way. You move. So I got the right side on. Now I'm going to do the left side. Put one hand side first. Okay, now to tighten this side up. It's hard when your left hand didn't work it backwards. But that's the way you do it. You get her down. Once we get this all done, then I gotta carry it upstairs. Or we do. And for the next step. Okay, so then there's this cheap little tiny monitor. It's made out of plastic. And they sent you a battery. And it just says that you put the battery. Let's get the battery in first. I swear to God, the packaging on this machine was harder to take apart than it is to put the machine together. But that's a good thing, because you don't want it to fall apart in shipping or break, or we'd be complaining, right? So yay, it turned on. Now all I'm supposed to do is slide this part onto here, it says. And that's it. And it looks like I'm all together here. Okay guys, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Okay guys, here's the moment of truth. Okay guys, I got my model, and he's going to show you how it's done. The angle ain't long enough to show you the head, but you get the picture. I was on it and I tried to record, and my phone cut out because like I said earlier, I was going to lose all the memory, and I did. So I have to back my phone up so bad. So I'm borrowing my honey's, and well, I said, why don't you get on and be the model for it? So how does it feel? They say you're not supposed to go fast in the beginning. Oh. You know, just to get used to it. But he's a pro.
No, not that I'm in much shape, but.
Do you think I did a good job?
Oh, beautiful job, and it's better quality than I thought it'd be. You know, this is a nice grip here. It has a meter. I didn't think it'd have. I had something similar years ago, but this is better made. There's no resistance here, so it's going to be according to your speed.
Okay, cool.
And that's a lot better than having nothing. It's good price. I'm not sure what these things read, but we'll find out.
Yep. Okay, guys.
Nice job.
Thank you. Haha, guys, I fooled you. You knew I was going to get on this. My camera's shaking, but you get the picture. Yay! It's a lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Love yourself and others.
And hit the bell for more.
Bye-bye.
Bye.